Smells so bright. Is that pimento?
Yeah. Right.
So it's around swimming. It is swimming indeed. It is swimming indeed.
Yes.
Hi, my loves. Back in the kitchen with me is Arlene to teach us all the how-tos about fried kingfish. And today we're featuring Kezzianne lemon liquid. Did you catch this fish on the way here?
You know, as much as I have talent, not that much.
So this is not fish on
My
Trinbago?
little fisherman friend hooked me up.
Okay,
But I
fine.
wasn't like on the boat pulling the reel or anything.
No problem. So kingfish. There's a favorite of yours?
Oh yeah, it's a very common fish, very popular. But you know, sometimes I like to go into different kinds because they're seasonal sometimes.
Yeah.
So and we do have the wider variety.
Yeah, we do. Well, take me through the kingfish process.
All right, so my fry fish recipe is super simple.
Okay.
Right? Very, very basic. Basically, you get as fresh as possible, the fish. And I like to say it needs to swim again. And by that, I mean it needs to swim again in some seasoning.
Fair
So
enough.
we need to blend some fresh seasoning.
Okay.
So I have chive, some pimentos, garlic, and some shadow benny.
So I can just put that all
Just
in?
throw everything in.
Everything in there.
And add that water and blend it up.
Okay. And I'm adding all the water that's in this jar, a little thing and a little thing and a little thing.
Just cover what is in the jar.
Okay,
But that water should be fine.
sure. You tell me when
A
I
little
know, boo.
faster.
Oh, sorry. I'm moving too slow.
That's good.
Understood.
That's good. So in the meantime, before you blend, I will add some lemon juice.
Okay.
Some pepper.
Mm-hmm.
About 2 of this. And this is just about 2 pounds of fish.
Okie dokie.
And some salt. Blend away.
Blend away.
Yep, that's good.
Easy peasy.
Yep. And
Nice
just
and
pour
smooth.
all of it over the fish.
Sure. Smells so bright. Is that pimento?
Yeah. Right.
So it's around swimming. It is swimming indeed. It is swimming indeed.
Yes. So I like to make it, cover all the fish
Right.
in fresh seasoning and a little salt, pepper, and lemon like we
Right.
just did. And I like to leave this for a couple of hours or at best overnight.
Okay.
I like overnight.
Okay.
Overnight is soaking everything.
So I
and
have to wait to eat this fish tomorrow. What's the minimum time we could work with?
I would say 2 hours.
We'll give
If
it
you
a
know,
little-
if you
a
know you
little
want
too.
to come home in the evening and eat the fish,
Yeah.
sort it out in the morning before you go to work, and when you come home, you're good to go.
Okay, so we'll let this marinate and then we'll come back. So you think we're good here now?
We're good.
After
we're good.
all the wait?
It was a long marinade, but we make it.
Okay, cool.
Right? And from this point, it's very simple. So basically, out of the season into this all-purpose flour,
Right.
coat and deep fry.
That is it.
That's it.
So this is really an easy peasy.
Easy
Cannot mess
peasy.
up.
No. I do have one tip when we're frying.
Okay.
but We'll get to that tip.
All right, ma'am. All right.
All right. Okay. So just out of the seasoning, right, and we dip into the flour.
Give it
Coat
a
all
little
the
flip.
sides on 2 sides. You know, as I have my hand in this flour and fish, take a little note that I keep promises.
I was waiting for you to. Guys, I begged Ali the last time when she came to help me make Coo Coo that to do some fish with me since she didn't bring the fish. This is why she's here. So thanks for remembering.
Yes.
Thanks, sir.
I make
appreciate
good
it.
on promises. I said I was going to come back and fry the fish, and I am here.
Late.
Right.
Late, but we are grateful.
Yes. Better late than never. Right.
All
So
right.
you want to just shake off the excess.
Okay.
Like this. And always put it away from you.
Okay. Gently.
Yeah. Don't drop it and run it.
I promise I won't.
Don't drop it and run away. So you fry this just for a few minutes until it's golden brown, not
Okay.
dark golden. The fish is
Okay.
already dead.
Yes.
So don't kill it in the
Don't kill
oil
it. Don't kill
a
it twice.
second time, right? Fish
Like
is
about
supposed to
2
be-
minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, nice and light and flaky, kind of fall off the bone kind of thing when you
Yum.
So we'll just let this fry until it gets to the color, and
That's it.
That's it.
And we eat. Well, let's continue coating up these boys.
Yes.
Sounds good. This looks so good.
Thank you.
I mean, your color is proper, my friend. Very, very nice.
This is golden. When you open it, tender inside.
Well, I mean, we could see how tender.
Of course.
Are we sharing a piece
And
of
you hear
fish?
that nice little kind of crunch
The
on
crunch.
the outside. The coating kind of locks in all the flavors.
Yeah, man.
Watch
Oh
out for bones.
yeah, oh yeah. Oh gosh, I don't want any bones in the place. But so
See?
good.
Nice and flaky and white.
So good.
Cheers.
I love how simple this recipe was. Nothing complicated, but that nice, fresh, herby taste from the green seasoning is coming all the way through. Definitely. Great job. Thank you
You're very
for
welcome.
finally completing my Coo Coo recipe with this fried kingfish.
And seeing as
Thanks,
I fry up all the fish, you'll wash up, right?
I'm waiting for the pot to cool before I wash the wares, okay?
Because I can't cook and I was in the heat. I was in the heat.
Guys, I was going to help Arlene by washing the dishes anyway, okay? She didn't need to tell me. But I could finish my fish first before I get to the pot.
Finish.
Thank you, guys. Be sure, of course, to try this recipe. Check out our Coo Coo recipe as well, linked in the description bar below. And tell us, if not Coo Coo, what else are you eating this gorgeous fried kingfish with? Until next time, bye-bye.